dramatically since I started eating fried food again. So I wanted to demonstrate, again, how fast your body can gain weight when you go back to eating unhealthy. So my stomach is probably about the same as when I started. Stomach is about 27 and a half. Excuse the rip, my cat did this. He thought I needed more punk rock look in my wardrobe. Hips are 38, back to where I started. Thighs are about 21 and a quarter. Weight is 142 on the nose. Okay, one thing I noticed when I started eating unhealthy again is my eyes started getting goopy in the morning again. You know how I think most people, when they wake up in the morning, they have a little bit of mucus in their eyes? And you think that's normal, but it's really not. When I started eating 100% raw, I woke up with clear eyes. I did not have that in the morning when I woke up, and now I just started noticing it these past few days since I've been eating fried food again and a little bit of bread. Now I'm having mucus in my eyes when I wake up in the morning. So, you know, a lot of people, there are a lot of people think that that's normal, that these are just normal bodily functions, but they're actually not normal at all. They're just symptoms of eating unhealthy. So when I go back to eating raw again, I'm sure this will go away. But no, you're not supposed to have mucus in your eyes when you wake up in the morning. It's just a symptom of eating unhealthy, of your body producing a lot of mucus to buffer all the acidic foods that you're eating. I read that when you eat a lot of acidic foods are things that are things that you eat that create an excess amount of stomach acid and acids in your body. And when you're eating a high amount of acidic things, your body has to produce a lot of mucus to buffer all the acids so it doesn't damage your organs. You do have to produce some stomach acid when you digest anything, even fruit, but it's when you have to produce a lot because what you're eating is so acidic. Like fruits are alkaline, and they keep your body at an alkaline pH rather than acidic pH. So then you wake up in the morning with goopy eyes because you're so full of mucus from all this unhealthy food that you're eating. And your sinuses are stuffed up more. Your body is just filled with excess mucus. And that goes away when you start eating raw. So no, a lot of these things that you think are normal, these uncomfortable things that you think are normal, are not normal at all. They're just symptoms of an unhealthy diet. Like stomach aches and headaches. I had chronic continuous headaches before I went vegan. Just cutting out meat and dairy alone will get rid of headaches. I wasn't even raw vegan. When I first started going vegan, I was eating a lot of dairy-free bread and dairy-free cookies and a lot of junk food vegan stuff. But just cutting out the meat and dairy made my headaches go away. After several months of being vegan, I thought, you know what, I don't even remember the last time I've had a headache. And I used to have to keep pills in my purse all the time because I was always getting these little headaches. And that literally, I'm not just trying to promote veganism, that literally went away after I cut out meat and dairy. So if you're getting headaches all the time, try just cutting out meat and dairy. You don't even have to go raw. You don't even have to go raw vegan. Just try cutting out meat and dairy. That's what worked for me. And it's so nice not having headaches all the time. I love it. It's wonderful. So No, feeling bad is not normal. Cut out the meat and dairy first, and then gradually start eating more and more raw foods, raw fruits and vegetables. And you should feel a lot better. Okay, so I'm going to be going, I have to lose this weight quickly. So I'm going to be switching it up a bit. Before I was not exercising every single day. Now I'm going to be exercising every single day because I want to drop this weight fast. And the more you exercise, the faster weight will come off of you. And I'm going to be eating a lot of high water fruits. Lots of melons, lots of citrus. Because high water fruits help fill you up faster. And water is just so good for your body. So, I'm going to be going on a hydro diet. A lot of water-rich foods, melons and citrus, mangoes, things like that. Not that I think low water fruits are unhealthy. I feel the lightest when I eat a lot of water-rich fruits, and I'm only doing this because I want to speed up my weight loss. And citrus, grapefruit has tons of water. Oranges have tons of water. What else? Mangoes have a lot of water. Watermelon, of course, has tons of water. I'm going to be jogging for an hour every day and doing target training every day. I'll probably do 30 minutes of jogging in the morning and 30 minutes of jogging later in the afternoon or at night. 30 minutes straight without stopping. Another thing that I stopped consuming a while after I went vegan is coffee. Now, coffee comes from a natural coffee bean, so caffeine occurs naturally in nature. I do not have a definitive answer or opinion about natural caffeine and raw coffee beans. I've never had a raw coffee bean. I'm not saying that that's good or bad for you, but I do think that the coffee that people buy on the shelves has been roasted and processed and all. I don't think that's particularly healthy. It's known as a digestive irritant. It's known to cause skin aging and yellows your teeth. It has a lot of harmful, bad side effects. And there's also a study that says coffee will make women's breasts smaller. You can Google it if you want. So that was interesting. So coffee ages the skin. Processed coffee that we buy at the store ages the skin, yellows the teeth. It's known as a digestive irritant. It's acidic, has an acidic effect on the body, and it's a serious drug. Really, it was one of the most difficult things for me to give up. I haven't had it in almost a year. Now, I never thought I would be able to give up coffee, ever. I had it every morning, sometimes more than once a day. I would go to sleep at night craving my morning cup of coffee. I mean, that's how psychological coffee is. And when you ask people to give up coffee, they think you're crazy. They're like, no way, I'm never giving up coffee. Coffee is a serious drug. It really is. Now that's roasted processed coffee I'm talking about. I'm not talking about a raw coffee bean right off the tree. That might not be harmful. I don't think. And again, I'm not saying for sure. But I would definitely, if I came across some raw coffee beans, I would definitely try them. Raw, unroasted, with active enzymes. Caffeine has been known to, natural caffeine will speed up the metabolism. But drinking the drink, the roasted, salted, processed, I would say is not healthy. I mean, it'll help sustain you if you're starving and that's all you have, but really, I would recommend weaning off coffee. I've noticed a difference in my skin. My skin kind of feels tighter now that I don't drink it. And it's really, really, really addicting, which is weird. It's really weird how addicting it is. So considering that it's so addicting and just takes control over your mind so much, I would kind of question it. So yeah, I have been drinking coffee in about a year, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, if you want to be less mucusy, less filled with mucus, start eating raw. Mucus in your eyes in the morning is not normal. I can tell you for a fact, from personal experience, after a month of literally eating nothing but raw fruit, I had no mucus in my eyes when I was waking up in the morning. And now, just these past few days, now that I can start eating fried food, I've been waking up going like this, like, ugh, just wiping all this stuff out of my eyes. So that is not normal. Your body is not supposed to be filled with mucus. That's a result of eating an acidic diet that makes your body produce tons of excess mucus. Alright? Eat healthy, jog, get some sunlight.